Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Tourism Investments and Aviation, the Honorable I. Chester Cooper, brought aviation updates during his budget presentation remarks in the House of Assembly.
In aviation, Mr. Deputy, we're making significant strides. It goes without saying that aviation is a critical component in our tourism industry. It is the oxygen that tourism needs. And as I indicated earlier, we have a strategy. The Bahamas National Aviation Planning Strategy was comprised by Director of Aviation along with the stakeholders. This is going to exceed global standards, Mr. Deputy. Its primary mandate is to ensure that all initiatives are aligned. And this is what we are going to do, deploying innovative strategies to advance aviation in our country. And you heard about the PPPs on 14 island airports. We have to be creative. The government owns 30 airports in the country. We don't have the resources to develop all of them on our own. So we must, and we have gone to RFPs to develop 14 of those airports across the country. Director of Aviation, very shortly, will roll out the Bahamas Aeronautical Academy. And we are beginning. We're not going to leave it the way we met it. We promise to rebuild, to recover, but in aviation, we can revolutionize.
Yes, yes.
The training will be of international standards. The first cluster of air traffic controllers will begin in this new Aeronautical Academy. We're taking 30 new air traffic controllers. Since coming to office, we have continued to work on the aviation sector as diligently as we have worked on tourism.
For more aviation updates, visit doabahamas.com. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.